welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel. Today I have the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp October 2019 card kit. Okay, and you get your candy. And this one is packed full of some great stuff. It is called Thankful Flowers. You get your inspiration sheet with some very lovely ideas here. I really like that one by Sherry Carroll. That's really beautiful. Okay, so let's get started with the stamp set. It is called Thankful Flowers. It is a 6x8 clear stamp set. And you get this great big cluster of flowers here, and then you get some individual ones and leaves and everything. You get a thank you, some hearts. You couldn't be more awesome. I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for everything. I am stronger with you. Your support, thank you. You're amazing. Just a small note of thanks. I'm beyond grateful. Your kindness will be remembered. Thank you for loving me when I need it most. You help me be a better version of myself. I'm so grateful for you. Friendship and advice and unconditional love. So that is the Thankful Flowers. Okay, so next you have a wafer die, and it is Thanks, a wafer die. Let me zoom in a little closer. There we go. Let's see what is next on here. You have a package of Pebble Inks foam foil letter stickers, and these are kind of like stickers if you've ever used stickers. So they are like thin foam with gold foil on top, and you get a lot of letters, so you'll be able to do several different projects with this. Okay, you get a pair of the Holtz Mini-Snips, which these are awesome. I love these flexible handles that Holtz has with his scissors. They are so comfortable, and these are so great for doing so many things. Some fussy cutting. It is a serrated edge. I believe these are also titanium coated, so they don't stick to things. Okay, and then we have 12 double-sided sheets of My Mind's Eye My Heritage 6x6 papers. So, let's flip through these. Oh, I really like that plaid. I like that stripe. I like script too. That's really cool. This family tree, that's neat. The paper, that's cool. Wow, that image looks very three-dimensional. Very pretty. Houndstooth, that's neat. Oh, and houndstooth in another color. A lot of very pretty papers in that. That is My Mind's Eye, My Heritage. Alright, you get 2 sheets each of copper and rose gold Holtz Idea-ology metallic 8x8 Kraft papers. And it's Kraft papers, it's Kraft on the back. Let me zoom out again. These are very shiny, so you get the copper and the rose gold. Okay, and then you get Simon envelopes in gold, walnut wood grain, and a mini cream. And then in your sheets of cardstock, you get a Nina Desert Storm, and in the Simon cardstock, you get black, dark chocolate, and cream. So very fall color palette to this kit. So this is, again, the October 2019 Thankful Flowers card kit by Simon Says Stamp. So I will see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.